Hi, I'm Amina. Welcome to BAMBA Boss Show. Today we are making chips masala and here are our ingredients. We chose frozen chips and today we are using golden barley frozen chips because it has no preservatives and no additives. The first step is to deep fry our frozen chips. We'll use very hot oil. It's at 190 degrees. We will deep fry the chips for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy. For the best and quick results, we use golden valley chips, frozen chips. But if you prefer using homemade chips, you can blanch the potatoes in hot water and cut them, slice them into chips. Then you deep fry until golden brown and crispy. So now we're waiting for the chips to be golden brown and crispy. Then we'll drain them and we'll go to the next step. It's ready now. We'll drain and place them aside. After draining the chips, we prepare the masala sauce. In a non-stick pan, we'll place some oil. We add oil. Our cooking oil is heated. We'll now add onions. As you can see, our onions are finely chopped. We'll stir until they are golden brown. We stir our onions so that they cook evenly. Ensure your onions are finely chopped and they cook evenly, and make sure you get the golden brown color before adding anything else. As you can see, our onions are now golden brown. We'll then add garlic. We'll then add tomatoes. You stir. You can peel your tomatoes before cutting or blanch them for the best results. You cover for some time to let it cook. Remember to stir after some time to make sure they are cooked evenly before adding other ingredients. We then add spices. Black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Lastly, a 1/4 teaspoon curry powder. We start to mix the spices. We then add tomato paste. We stir. We then add tomato sauce. We stir. We add lime juice. And 1 teaspoon sugar. We add salt to taste. Now our masala sauce is ready. Our masala sauce is ready. Now the last step is to add chips. We will add our fried chips. Our chips masala is ready now. We will serve. We will then garnish with our chopped coriander. It's ready for tasting. Enjoy. Baby.